The Chicago White Sox's hunt for a new manager is heating up as speculation swirls around who will replace Pedro Grifol. The team is exploring several high-profile candidates, each bringing a unique set of skills and experience to the table. Among the front-runners is Ozzie Guillen, a name well known to White Sox fans. Guillen, who managed the team from 2004 to 2011, led Chicago to a World Series championship in 2005. His fiery personality and deep understanding of the game make him a compelling candidate to re-energize the current squad. Next up is Charlie Montoyo, who recently managed the Toronto Blue Jays and has a reputation for developing young talent. Montoyo's strategic mind and calm demeanor could be exactly what the White Sox need to build a sustainable winning culture. Another strong candidate is Joe Espada, currently the bench coach for the Houston Astros. Known for his attention to detail and analytical approach, Espada has been a key figure in the Astros' recent success and could bring that winning mentality to Chicago. Beyond these well-known names, there are dark horse candidates like Sandy Alomar Jr., a former player-turned-coach who has drawn praise for his leadership and ability to connect with players. Also in the mix is Miguel Cairo, who has been a part of the White Sox coaching staff. Cairo's familiarity with the team could provide a seamless transition and continuity in the clubhouse. As the White Sox continue their search, the decision will likely come down to balancing experience with the ability to foster a cohesive team environment. Fans and analysts alike are eagerly waiting to see who will take the helm and whether they can lead the team back to prominence. The stakes are high, and the right choice could set the tone for the franchise's future. Whoever gets the nod will inherit a talented roster with the potential to compete at a high level, but they will also face the challenges of living up to the expectations of a passionate fan base.